Hey, good morning YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, Shea Natural Curls. I am here today to put out this video for you guys. It's a twist out video showing you how I achieved this look. I have been making my own DIY products in my kitchen for a while now, and that's how I achieved this look today, using that. I'm going to show you what I use in the video as I'm doing it. I like to use these products in my hair because I am all natural. I have nothing against products that are bought out of the store, but for me and my strands and the journey that I am on right now, making my own products have done wonders to my hair. It's more manageable, it's moisturized, it feels very nourished. It's just an overall positive performance that I am seeing with my hair. It's thriving like no other, I'm sorry you guys. And I just never seen my hair work like this before. So I'm very excited and I want to bring you guys on this journey with me. Maybe I can help you guys with some things. I have fine natural hair, so it's a little difficult to deal with at times, but I'm learning and I love it. I just love it. I love being natural. So with that being said, let's get into this video, you guys. Oh, did I tell you that I did change my name? Yes, it was an old name. Well, not an old name. It was a different name on my last video, but I figured I'd change it to Shea, which is my nickname. Natural Curls, because that's what this channel is going to always be about. Well, shouldn't say always, but for now, that's what it's about, my natural curls and my natural journey with you guys. So let's get into this video today. And before we do, let's hit that subscribe button for me, please, you guys. I love it. And without further ado, let's begin, because I think you're going to like it. Okay, YouTube, I am here to continue my video with you guys. Here I have freshly washed hair. And I'm going to get into this twist out. Right now I am showing you guys the products that I am using. These are my DIY products that I like to make, that I told you guys earlier, that nourishes my hair really good and keeps my scalp soothing and clean and breathable and all that good stuff that we like with our natural hair. As you can see, I like to use my fingers to part my hair. It's easier for me. I rarely use combs, and if I do, it's a wide tooth, or I'm using the rat tail end of a comb to do certain partings that I may need. This brush that I'm about to get into is my favorite. Love it. Yes, as you guys can see, I got it off of Amazon. They call it a shampoo brush, but it looks very familiar, like the Felicia Leatherwood, I believe it is. It looks something like that brush, but I like it. It really detangles my hair. It doesn't snag. I've had it for 3 years. I'm holding on to this brush, y'all. It's not going nowhere. But anywho, there you go, a nice juicy twist. And then I'm just going to continue on doing the same thing to the rest of my hair. Just sectioning it as I go and moisturizing and sealing my ends with my Shea Moisture Whip. Yeah, I don't use too much, but at the top I kind of use a lot because it's more dry up there ever since my postpartum shedding has taken place. It's really discouraging, but I'm managing, you guys. So I'm going to wrap this up and move on to showing you guys what it's looking like now. All done here. And I'm getting ready for bed, so I am going to get ready to tie this down. Now, what I like to use is my bobby pins, because this helps secure it for me, and it's just an easier way to pin my twist back and also get a nice stretch for the next day. So I kind of take one side and pin it to the other, and the other side vice versa, as you can see what I'm doing here. I like to wear my scarf at night versus a bonnet with my twist, because it kind of lays what edges I have left. Excuse me again from this postpartum shedding, you guys. But I think that it lays my, I'm being silly. It lays my edges and my hair flat. So when I take my scarf off, my twists are nice and sleek in the morning and ready to take out. it also holds my moisture very well in there. Okay, YouTube, I am back to take these twists out for you guys. I am going to release these bobby pins that's been in my head all night. Gets a little annoying after a while, but it does secure my twist just the way I like it. So now, as you can see, I am adding some oil to my hair. I like to do this because it helps me unravel my twist more gentle and keep my definition, and also add a little shine afterwards. So that's what I am doing right here. As I untwist my hair, I like to separate at the same time. I notice some people like to just singly separate their twists and then they go in and separate more afterwards. But me, I find that it's easier for me to do it this way. So that's why I am separating as I go. Also, I like to use my own DIY products at the time and for the past couple of months, because I am on the water-only hair washing method, which I am loving, and I've mentioned it a couple times to you guys in my last video and this video here. I've been on that journey for 4 months now, and I have achieved full sebum coverage. I am very excited about that, and that was my whole point and my whole reasoning for getting on this method, is to wear my hair with its own natural oils. I am loving that effect. Yes, I still put some of my DIY products in my hair to style my hair because, you know, I just may be feeling that for that day. But as far as sebum coverage, I have that, and a lot of times I like to wear my wash and go when I do have my hair out. And I'm just amazed at how sebum can actually define my hair the way it has been doing. It leaves my hair so soft, so manageable. My hair is light and airy. It's breathable. It's not weighed down. It's been doing wonders for me. As you can see here right now, I am fluffing away. It's tedious. I have very fine, thin hair, so I have to kind of fluff several times and use 2 different size picks to get the style that I'm looking for. But so I have some pictures for you guys to watch, and thank you for looking at my video. You guys have a great day.